For my artifact, I collaborated with a math teacher to bring digital citizenship to content areas in the secondary school. We worked together knowing that there were issues in the classroom of distractions of cell phones. So we thought we would make this into a lesson in which students would be able to read some sources about cell phones and current problems involved with cell phones in the school system. They use multiple tools within the lesson to be able to share thoughts with each other. They used virtual whiteboards like Padlet to share thoughts on videos that they have watched in class. They also had some writing activities talking about digital well-being, just having them think through what they did, last thing that they did before they went to sleep, or what distracts you most in life. They had a choice here to either write their answers or they could record them in a Flipgrid by clicking the link at the bottom. And here we jumped into the task. Here's how I related it to math analysis. So they were looking at collecting the data and analyzing the data from each of their phones. If they didn't have a phone in the class, then they had a shoulder partner with another student to look at that data. We were able to make two separate videos, one with directions for iPhones, the other with directions for Android phones on how to get the data they need in class. With that, then we gave them documents that we created so they could record their phone data. Based off of that, they took not only their document and their data, but then also took the class's data to be able to analyze that as well. They went then based off the data they collected by hand and put it into an overall data check sheet, and then comparing the graphs that they wrote with their data with the graphs that are created by the Google Sheet. And then finally, at the very end, they take everything together and answer the question, do they find their cell phones a distraction? And then they would use that data to support their position. This goes towards a common vision in our school division to support digital citizenship. It looks a little different at the secondary school. It's pretty easily defined by grade level in the elementary school, but we wanted to make it more real for students at the secondary level by working to incorporate it in the content areas. So that's my artifact for my ISTE certification.